Deer Creek Audio, your trusted technical resource.
Explore the possibilities of your dream Bose 901 system and learn about proven configurations and how to implement them. There are many ways to configure and enjoy your classic Bose 901 speakers. You may be considering adding a subwoofer to your system, or driving 2 pairs of 901s in your listening room. Or perhaps you want to make 901s the core of your home theater setup. At Deer Creek Audio, we've had the opportunity to work with many customers to build a wide variety of configurations for their Bose 901 systems. Here, we will outline a few different setup examples and give some ideas on how to implement them in your own listening environment. Integrating a subwoofer into your Bose 901 system adds many benefits, from last octave bass extension to reduced overall distortion and increased power handling. Using an EQ 901 Elite or EQ 901 Platinum with subwoofer option, you'll gain modern DSP crossover technology along with the Bose 901 equalization curves. The payoff is added clarity, imaging, and dynamics. The two primary elements of an EQ 901 with subwoofer option are the active crossover and the Bose 901 equalizer curve. An active crossover with high pass for the Bose 901s and low pass for your subwoofer is implemented concurrently with the 901 EQ curves. The crossover filters in the EQ 901 have been optimized to seamlessly integrate the sound of your subwoofers with your 901s. The next example is to create a Bose 901 TV-centric system. Using our innovative approach, you can build a high-fidelity audio system using an EQ 901 Platinum with the 3.1 TV-centric option. The design concept is TV-centric, with sources connected to your TV by Wi-Fi, LAN, or HDMI. These sources can include Apple TV, a Blu-ray disc player, cable modem, Xbox, or others. The TV then routes digital audio via Toslink to an EQ 901 Platinum with the 3.1 TV-centric option. This option creates both a monaural center channel and subwoofer channel. This is in addition to the main left and right stereo channels. In this example, you will use 2 stereo power amps to drive a total of 4 Bose 901 speakers. This is a 100% active setup with no splitter cables, which provides the highest fidelity results. The configuration is supported by the EQ 901 Elite and EQ 901 Platinum, as they both have dual stereo outputs that are actively driven. It is possible to connect 4 Bose 901 speakers to a single stereo amplifier. 2 8-ohm speakers wired in parallel results in a 4-ohm speaker load. This can be implemented with any of the various EQ 901 models and configurations. You will connect the left channel 901s and then the right channel 901s as shown in this diagram. Your amplifier needs to be capable of driving a 4-ohm load. We recommend a minimum capability of 100 watts into 4 ohms. If in doubt, check with the amplifier manufacturer. There are several ways to configure your Bose 901s for a home theater setting. The best option for connecting an EQ 901 to your audio-video receiver is to add a separate power amplifier after your EQ 901 equalizer. First, connect the pre-out main left and right to the EQ 901 inputs 1 and 2, and the EQ 901 outputs 1 and 2 to the power amplifier inputs left and right. Then connect your 901 speakers to the power amplifier outputs. The equalized signal will now play through the front left and right speaker outputs in the stereo and home theater modes. There are many ways to combine Bose 901 speakers in a system with non-Bose 901 speakers. The key is not applying the Bose 901 equalization to the non-901 speakers. Adding equalization would make other speakers sound very bright and brassy, with no mid-range, and possibly cause damage. In our example, we use a modern AVR that has pre-main left and right outputs. We then add a standalone amplifier, preferably with volume control, so you can balance the output level of the 901s with your other pair of speakers. The system takes the pre-out main left and right line level signal from the AVR and directs it through the EQ 901 equalizer. The outputs of the EQ 901 then connect to the standalone amplifier that drives the 901s. The speaker level outputs from the AVR connect directly to your non-901 speakers bypassing the Bose equalization. Since most AVRs have a subwoofer out, you also could add an optional subwoofer. Be sure to visit us at deercreekaudio.com for more resources, tech blogs, and product details. Keep watching our YouTube channel for more video releases.